Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we learn about animal vehicle simulators and all plantation activities. Of course, this is very fun to accompany friends on holidays. Here there are construction vehicles and other cool vehicles. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any content. Another interesting thing, don't miss all the latest videos. You can see them at the end of the video.
Hi my friends, welcome to our favorite channel. Here we will get to know lots of cool and amazing vehicles and be educational for friends. Keep following my storyline in this content. Types of heavy equipment and their functions. A scraper motor or scraper is a type of heavy equipment that is widely used in cutting slopes or embankment slopes. This heavy equipment can also be used to excavate soil between concrete buildings and can also be used to level highways in the working process. This tool can dig the surface of the soil to a thickness, depth of more than 2.5 millimeters, and can also collect at the desired location, up to a minimum thickness of more than 2.5 millimeters. Asphalt paving. Asphalt paver, or what is often called an asphalt finisher, is a tool that can spread asphalt mixture that has previously been made using asphalt production equipment. The weakness of this asphalt paver is that the centipede wheel rotation maneuver takes longer, because the rubber wheels used have a rougher threshold. Diesel hammer. The diesel hammer itself is a tool used to hit or drive piles into the ground, generally. This tool will be used to build foundations for multi-story buildings, bridge towers, piers and other buildings. This tool works by using a steam engine in moving the hammer or beater. Whether the single or double-acting steam hammer is used, the hammers used to hit the piles themselves are quite varied. Some have a fixed, hanging model, and some rotate in the vertical plane. Roller. Pneumatic tire rollers, or what is often shortened to rollers, are a type of tool used on projects that produce granular materials. Not only that, this tool is generally also used to roll out hot mix layers. Therefore, rollers are often used as soil compacting tools. There are several types of rollers that are generally used, including, based on the way they move. Some move by themselves, and some have to be pulled by a tractor, based on the material of the rolling wheel. Some use wheels made of steel and others use rubber or pneumatic materials. Based on the shape of the wheel surface, there are smooth or plain surfaces, sheep's feet, segmented, grid-shaped, etc., based on the arrangement of the roller wheels. Some use 3 wheels or 3 wheels, 2 wheels or tandem rollers and 3 tandem roller shafts. Use a compactor equipped with a vibrator. Net, overhead cranes, and
Hi my friends, welcome to our favorite channel. Here we will get to know lots of cool and amazing vehicles and be educational for friends. Keep following my storyline in this content. Enjoy watching. The first type of work in the agricultural sector is to become an agricultural engineer. Agricultural engineering is a field of engineering concerned with the design, construction, and repair of agricultural equipment and machinery. Agricultural engineers integrate technology with agriculture. For example, they design new and better agricultural equipment that can work more efficiently or perform new tasks. They design and build agricultural infrastructure such as dams, water reservoirs, warehouses, and other buildings. They can also help design solutions for pollution control on large farms. Aquatic ecologist. The next type of job in agriculture is to become an aquatic ecologist. Aquatic ecology researches and works with water areas and associated dry lands relying on working relationship between them. It will cover various forms of plant and animal life from the microscopic to the largest. These species work in an interdependent relationship. If one element experiences a sudden increase or decrease in population, it will have an impact on the wider local ecology. They can further specialize in animal species or study microbes that contribute to the environment. Job roles differ from ecologists in that they are more concerned with aquatic freshwater ecology than ecology in general. Their work may include studying the impact of invasive species or habitat loss, the resulting pollution to water bodies, and the impact on life forms. They will also have a good understanding of geology and soil analysis. Forest health specialist. Meanwhile, various jobs in the forestry sector are as a forest health specialist. A forest health specialist covers several roles that are not part of the responsibilities of other professionals. Primarily, they will be involved in primary research, data collection, compilation, manipulation, and management. They may need GIS or remote sensing skills, something other forestry professionals may not have or need in their day-to-day duties. Therefore, they will spend about half of their time in the office and half of their time outside.
New-wheeled tractors are larger in size. How to control it is the same as driving a motorized vehicle. The top of the steering wheel or cab is open or can be closed to protect the tractor driver from new four-wheel tractor. Types of tractors with four wheels generally have a large size and look tougher. This type of tractor is very versatile. It can be used for various purposes in the agricultural and plantation industries. 4. Chain-wheel tractors. Tractors with chain wheels have greater traction power. This type can work in poor soil conditions and minimal tire slippage occurs. However, the speed is relatively slower than tractors that use tire wheels. Tips for choosing the right tractor. Apart from being used to cultivate land and transport vehicles, tractors still have many other functions. That's why when choosing a tractor, it is necessary to adjust the type of tractor and the needs in the field. Here are tips for choosing the right tractor for a plantation business. 1. Adjust to land area. Adjust the type of tractor to the conditions and area of land that requires the use of a tractor if the land tends to be small, especially with terraced land. Then a two-wheeled tractor is suitable for use. Meanwhile, for flat and fairly large land, such as plantations, it is better to use a tractor with 3 or 4 wheels, which uses steering. 2. Select transmission. As with vehicles in general, tractors are also available in manual and automatic transmission options. You can choose according to your wishes and which type is more comfortable to operate. 3. Required tractor capacity. Get to know the capacity of the tractor according to the work requirements. You can consider the size of the tractor. the amount of horsepower produced, hydraulic capacity, and lifting capacity. 4. Consider after-sales service. It is best to choose a tractor manufacturer or distributor that also provides after-sales service, so that within a certain period of time, when there is damage or the need to record truck capacity is the maximum amount of load that the truck can carry. Truck capacity is usually expressed in tons or kilograms. Apart from that, truck capacity can also be expressed in cubic meters (CBM). What factors influence truck capacity? Truck capacity is influenced by several factors, including truck type. Different truck types have different capacities. Larger trucks usually have a larger capacity. In addition, the type of truck is determined based on the size and configuration of the truck's wheels. Number of axles. The axles are the horizontal bars that connect the wheels. The front axle is usually used to move the vehicle, while the rear axle is used to support the load. The greater the number of axles, the greater the truck capacity. Truck dimensions. Truck dimensions also affect the capacity of the truck. Trucks that are longer and wider usually have a larger capacity. Another thing influencing is government regulations regarding fuel capacity limits. The transportation government stipulates that every truck must not be overload or over-dimensioned and overload. If their DOO is violated, there is a possibility that the truck will not be able to continue its journey because the goods exceed the truck's capacity limit. What are the most popular FTL vehicle options for businesses? The most popular FTL vehicles for businesses include trailers, flatbeds, and reefer trucks, each selected based on cargo type and needs. Semi-trailer trucks, ideal for large-scale goods deliveries and are often used in the logistics industry to transport goods in large quantities. Flatbed trucks, often used to transport construction materials or other large or irregular items that do not fit or are not suitable for enclosed trucks. Refrigerated truck reefer. This truck is equipped with a refrigeration unit, very suitable for transporting food, drinks, or other goods that require temperature regulation. Tanker trucks, used to transport liquids or gases, such as fuel, chemicals, or water, suitable for industries that require the transportation of liquid materials in large quantities. Container truck, suitable for shipping international or long-distance goods. This truck keep following my storyline in this content. Types of heavy equipment and their functions. A scraper motor or scraper is a type of heavy equipment that is widely used in cutting slopes or embankment slopes. This heavy equipment can also be used to excavate soil between concrete buildings and can also be used to level highways. In the working process, this tool can give the surface of the soil a thickness depth of more than 2.5 millimeters and can also collect at the desired location up to a minimum thickness of more than 2.5 millimeters. Asphalt paving. Asphalt paver, or what is often called an asphalt finisher, is a tool that can spread asphalt mixture that has previously been made using asphalt production equipment. The weakness of this asphalt paver is that the centrifuge wheel rotation maneuver takes longer because the rubber wheels used have a rougher threshold. Diesel hammer. The diesel hammer itself is a tool used to hit or drive piles into the ground generally. This tool will be used to build foundations for multi-story buildings, bridge towers, piers, and other buildings. This tool works by using a steam engine in moving the hammer or beater. Whether the single or double acting steam hammer is used, The hammers used to hit the piles themselves are quite varied. Some have a fixed, hanging model, and some rotate in the vertical plane roller. Pneumatic tire rollers, or what is often shortened to rollers, are a type of tool used on projects that produce granular
Hello friends,
materials,
hiccups
not
are the
only
smallest
that,
crops
this tool
circulating in
is
Indonesia
generally also
because they
used
only
to
have
roll
the axles
across
and the
its
wheels.
Therefore,
In general,
rollers
a
are
pickup can
often
accommodate
used
a
as
load
soil
weight of 1 and
compacting
has a
tools.
volume of 4
There are
CBM.
several types
However,
of rollers
there is
that are
also a type of
generally
pickup
used
tank that has a
individually
larger
based
maximum
on the way
volume,
they mill.
mainly around
Some
6
move by
CBM.
themselves
Usually,
and some
pickups
have to
are
be
used to
pulled by a
transport
truck
light goods
based
and
on
are
the
easy to
material
move.
of them. Rolling wheels. Some use wheels made of steel and others use rubber or pneumatic materials. Based on the shape of the wheel surface, there are smooth or plain surfaces, sheep's feet, segmented, grid-shaped, etc. Based on the arrangement of the roller wheels, some use 3 wheels or 3 wheels, 2 wheels or tandem rollers, and 3 tandem roller shafts. Use a compactor equipped with a vibrator.NES, overhead cranes, and